Hello, this is Blue Diamond Coasters. My hands are freezing because we're here at Hersheypark. Today is the beginning of February and it is freezing. It's like 20-something degrees. The park isn't open, obviously, but we're actually here this weekend for a few ACE events. Today, we're going to be heading down to Wildcat for a construction tour. I'm really excited for this. I mean, it's definitely made a lot of progress since I was last here for Christmas Candyland, and now I get to see it up close. And then tomorrow is East Coaster, which is this big event where a bunch of parks are coming into Hershey to announce a few different small things and just hanging out with ACE people. Speaking of hanging out with other ACE people, I'm joined by East Coaster fan.
It's too cold here. Why did we come?
Because we wanted to get content for Wildcat. That's
fair.
why.
That's fair.
And thankfully tomorrow, even though it's even colder, East Coaster is indoors at the Music Box Theater, so
we'll be in a lot better of a state. Probably just sitting down in heated room.
Yeah. So we're gonna be heading on to Hersheypark soon before my finger falls off. Checked in over here. I got Group A, which is the first group. I also just realized, for one thing, that's the old Hershey Kisses design, which they now changed her to a female, so Hershey Kisses is a trans icon. Walking into Gate 7 now, first of many, many times for me this year, and it just started flurrying. I didn't think I'd be at Hersheypark during the snow, but we are now entering active construction zone.
Steve McNulty and Craig Glover, they work in our maintenance team. We're gonna work our way up around to see the back end of Wildcat. If you have any questions, you can, but we do have prepared questions for them that we'll go through. We're going to keep the tour to about 30 minutes, so we can't answer everyone's questions, but we'll try our best, all right?
So real quick, we thought we'd stop you here, kind of in front of the work we're doing at the station. So as you can see, we've got a brand new maintenance shop under construction on the back side of the existing station. Similar to our pandemonium, the trains will never have to leave this destination. We'll have a transfer track that slides through that big opening in the station, and then we can park inside to do daily maintenance, and then beyond that, overhaul in this type of season. Kind of see, we got two pieces of track set. That's our brake run coming back into the station. We're gonna have a separate unload and load position. So you'll unload separately. That allows us to run 3 trains. We're gonna run 3 trains on Wildcat's Revenge. What am I missing?
Similar to Pandemonium with the 3 trains, obviously we'll be able to take a train off early after Halloween to start the maintenance. So when we open, we can open with 3 trains when we get busier. So same type of rotation as Candy with that.
All right, let's go look at some traffic. That we're fighting with all of our contractors, and supply chain still tends to be a little finicky here.
Hitting our way back down. I didn't film a lot of that. It was mainly some of the construction guys answering some questions. It was really cool to talk with them. Although I think that's actually it, because it's 3:15 and this tour's only half an hour. I thought we were gonna go in there, but it's still fun. Well, that wraps up the tour. It's short. I thought we were actually gonna go in the site itself.
Me too. We just kind of went in like where the fun slides were.
Yeah.
And
it was,
it was
cool
like
to
a good Q&A session.
Yeah.
I like that.
But, I mean, that could have been email or Zoom.
Yeah.
Anyway, though, since we're up here, you might as well head in Chocolate World. That's not just because it's 25 degrees outside.
It's a lot warmer, but it's also fun.
Yeah. We're probably gonna...
Well, we got to experience it one last time with the Taste of Love.
Oh, that's right! Because, that's right, they are changing the songs. And probably, I don't know, we might get some snacks there.
True.
But let's head over there. Actually, for Chocolate World, it's currently their 50th anniversary, so they have one of their ride cars from a few years ago.
Hop on in.
Okay.
These seats are much lower than I remember.
Oh wow. Yeah.
Yeah, but the thing with these, there were no doors.
Yeah, this ride's getting bored. I'm gonna get off right now. So when's the ride start? Where are the cows? I want to see the cows.
The old cows.
Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
The cows.
She's not talking.
Thanks, Dairy, for giving us silent treatment.
Taste the love. All over the world.
Got that feel good feeling every day. When you're making chocolate the Hershey way, and you can taste the love all over the world. Taste the love. Taste the love. Taste the love.
Where's Alex?
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm the
Hey,
quality
Alex.
supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pollen.
Beans.
Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
Thanks for reminding us to remain seated. I was thinking of standing here, but now you tell me that, I will stay
roasters,
seated.
which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it?
Thank goodness.
Next, we quickly cool the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber, which cracks open the shells at high speed. Inside
Hey everyone, below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder, known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process.
You know, I wasn't planning on filming this whole ride, but I honestly don't want to stop.
Every day, shining tankers must pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory.
This will be, I'll film a normal POV later, but this I guess is the Two Coaster Idiots ride of Chocolate World. Yep.
Fresh milk is
There they are. There's the original cows.
Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high quality standards. Once it passes testing, we make sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We've hatched
Yo, Mr. White, we need to make sure we got the right amount of milk and sugar in here.
unsweet chocolate.
The sugar.
This is where the
No, Jesse, you can't mix them like this.
As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate foam.
Chocolate what? Don't forget the cocaine.
Why is our vehicle going like that?
Yeah, our vehicle is shaking.
We pressed out earlier and had a dash of vanilla.
Brown
This
cocaine.
brings out the chocolate's rich taste and the creamy texture, and of course that wonderful smell.
It looks like poo.
Chocolate comes through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Huh?
Kiss.
What's wrong with kisses?
The old one was better.
Why? Why do you not like the change designs? Because they changed her to a female?
Mixes and heats
Turf?
the chocolate, developing a rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate. Bye for now.
After conching,
That's
we
my sweet
temper the
paralysis
chocolate,
demon.
heating and cooling it to just
Meanwhile, the
enough
Hershey
temperature.
bar like actually wanted to hunt down somebody.
We can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate.
Yeah, but then there's also another step where they have to send the chocolate through a TV and through some whole like shrinking ray thing.
All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate, special dark bars.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups. My personal favorite.
Well, of course it's your favorite. You are a Reese's.
It makes him a cannibal.
Yeah. Like, wait a minute. I can't tell if that's cannibalism or just nepotism. Yeah, trans icon.
Looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Share chocolate with the ones you love. Like how you're gonna give me your chocolate at the end of the ride.
No.
Yes, you are. If you're not gonna eat it, it's gonna be mine.
I only love myself.
Everybody say Hershey's. 3, 2, 1. Hershey's.
Let's see some big smiles in 3, 2, 1.
Goodness.
Hey, Sean, how's the Wi-Fi in here?
Non-existent.
Yeah.
It's gone.
I don't know. Hey, Dylan, why don't you ask where the Wi-Fi is? I feel like taste the love is a euphemism for something, but I don't know what it is.
Pride and joy that goes into making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon.
Please remain seated until the door opens and watch your step on the moving platform. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate World. So long, everyone.
Thanks for coming.
Bye-bye.
Did one ride on Chocolate World already, and here we have the first look at their new ride for this year. Something train related.
Hersheyland Express.
Yeah, I guess. Don't really know what it is, but I'm looking forward to it. Alright, we're at ride number 6 now. The last two, they actually just kept me in here. It's also a Zen ride! Yay! So that does it for Chocolate World. I ended up getting 6 rides on it, 3 of them in a row. I also decided to get some candy in here. I got the, like, that kind of mix and match bag thing, because normally every time I'm here there's a long line, and there's no line today, so I was able to get that, and I also got a thing of Kit Kat. Anyway, we're gonna actually, before we head on to the main Hersheypark store, see if there's anything good there. I know they just had like some Skyrush hoodies I want to see. Well, I found the Skyrush hoodie, or it's actually a jacket. I also found that. Yeah, I'm sorry, Hershey. No, thank you. Well, this is a very odd sight. The Hersheypark entrance plaza with nobody around, especially like this earlier in the day and not at night. Let me in. Let me in. It's weird also they run the fountain even though like nobody's over there. Alright, so that concludes our little visit to, I guess, Chocolate Town really, and also the tour.
Don't forget Chocolate World.
Oh yeah, Chocolate World is a part of Chocolate Town. I was a bit disappointed by the tour, but I can kind of see why. I mean, a lot of people signed up, so they can only have so much time, and also it was an active construction site, so they couldn't really do a whole lot with us there. But I still had a really good time getting to talk with some of the construction people, even talked with a bit of them afterwards about how I'll be working here next summer, and I had a few questions about that, so looking forward to spending a lot of time with Wildcat this summer. So make sure you do your usual, like, comment, subscribe, especially subscribe so you can hit the next video, which will be at East Coaster.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. And there'll be multiple parks there, not just Hershey. We don't really know who's going to be there yet, but there'll be a lot of different parks, make a lot of mainly smaller announcements, but there might be some really cool announcements. So, although probably by the time the video comes out, everyone will know about those announcements, but still cool to see our reactions to them. Make sure to follow me at Blue Diamond Coasters on both Instagram and TikTok.
And follow me, East Coaster Fan, on both YouTube and Instagram.
So until next time, it's Blue Diamond Coasters.
That's the East Coaster Fan.
Later. Oh, and one more thing. We decided for dinner to go to Aruga's, the sports bar near the park. It's actually the first time I was here. I was here back in 2020 with Logan, aka One Train Ops. He recommended this place, and finally came back here.
It's the sweetest place for you to be. Things to do and so much to see. Hersheypark happy. Hersheypark glad. So many things to see and do. Good times to